In this problem, we know the mass of chromium oxide, the second mass of chromium oxide, and we see the unbalanced equation, and we have to find the initial mass of chromium, the initial mass of oxygen gas, and the yield if we obtain the second mass of chromium oxide. First of all, let's balance the equation of the reaction. So here will be 2, here will be 3, and here will be 4. And the task A, we have to calculate the mass of chromium needed for this reaction. First of all, convert the mass of